So I'm going to show you how to switch between noise cancelling and transparency mode using gestures on the OnePlus Buds 4. So just open up the app, and then you want to go on the app, just tap on Earbud controls at the bottom, and that should give you the Earbud controls menu or the gestures menu. So what you need to do is find what menu or what gesture controls noise controls. So you have touch and hold. So you can see touch and hold here is set for noise cancellation and transparency, which means, and that's the left earbud. So which means when you tap and hold or touch and hold the left earbud, it's going to cycle between the two options. Okay, so let's do that. Let me put them on. So now with the earbuds in my ears, if I touch and hold the left earbud, you can see that changes to noise cancellation. Touch and hold again, I'm going to hear a sound, and then it's going to switch to transparency mode. Now, if you go back to that setting, you can actually tap on that and then add options there. You can add adaptive and total noise cancellation off. So this is basically going to turn off all noise controls, and you can tap OK. And now that means touching and holding, it's going to cycle between all the 4 options. Option 1, I hear a beep, goes to noise cancelling, touch and hold again, adaptive, touch and hold again, transparency. So basically with the earbud in my ear, I'm just touching and holding that part. Okay, just with one finger, touch and hold like that. All right. Thanks for watching and good luck.